Hello guys, welcome to eatstv.net. My name is Banksy, and today I'll be doing a review topic on the iPhone XX Max. It's still available. It's still available on the market. Even this one right here is still on sale, and I'll be doing a review on the iPhone XX Max today. 56 gigabyte memory. I think this phone is a good one. It's a blast on the iPhone. Let's go ahead and review the phone right here. So guys, take a look at it, and while I unbox the iPhone X Max, you see here is 256 gigabyte memory. It says here include the iPhone XX Max, have the earpod with lightning conductor, lighting to USB, and so much more. If you, I'll post the link on the description there where you can get it, and how you can hook me up, and then we can do the deal. So safe. So let's just go straight to the real thing here. While I unbox it. So I guess here this is the manual for the. This is the manual, I guess, and this is what's here. I guess here this is the manual. This is the manual for the iPhone X Max. So this is the manual. Still new, bookable, so you guys can hook me up and get it. So this is it has this glass-celine look from the finish. It's a cool one on the iPhone network, and just feel it is very much affordable. I'll post a link down on this video so you can get how this is the earpiece, and it also comes with a charger inside of it. So the iPhone XX Max 256 gigabyte memory. I would like you to call me, hook me up, and then we do the deal. And so many of it in the market, and you can just hook me up and we do the deal. It's around $910, and that fluctuating on dollar currency. So in naira, depending on the country you are, but best for Nigerians, you know the price. So just call me and hook me up. The link below. I can also put my phone number depending on how this video will be, and then we do the deal.